welcome back again to my channel. We're gonna unbox again, but this time it's Simula at Wakas concert merch. Yeah, I attended the concert last July 2025, and I bought the whole merch. So it's included like, hold on, LSB V4, so t-shirt dark, so t-shirt light, so photo book, so kitchen, so photo card set, so trading card set. Oh, trading card set. Okay, let's check it out. What's inside? Oh, these are the freebies from the concert. And I got this pencil. And I got this one too from the concert.
Wait, how do we put this on?
Tingnan daw natin, ano? Ay! Ito yata yun. Wala na siya. And then, these are all the merch that we got from the concert.
Mommy, this is Josh calling.
Yeah, Josh. Kuya Josh calling.
Mommy.
SB19, yeah. All of the freebies. They have a lot of freebies in the concert. And this is our ticket.
Mommy.
Yeah? Yeah, put it inside the bed. These are the tickets from the Simula at Wakas in the Grove
Mommy,
Anaheim. Of Anaheim.
Can we open this, Mommy?
Oh, yeah. We're gonna open. Oh, so these are the, I think this is the photo card. So we have to put it there muna. First, we have to get this one. We have to check what's inside. Shooting from the stars. Shooting for the stars, baby. Next. Oh, so these are our book. Photo book. From the Simula at Wakas. Oh, ang ganda naman.
SB19?
Oh, SB19. Yeah, anak. Oh my goodness.
What is that?
Parang handkerchief ito ay.
It's like,
A map.
I was about to say a map.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Look at them. Ito ang ipapapirma ko sa next concert nila. And I hope
Stickers.
makalapit ako sa kanila.
Mommy, can I
Makalapit ako at makapagpa-assign sa kanilang lahat.
Can I have one of your stickers?
Yeah, mamaya.
Yay, thank you.
Okay, so these are, I think, the dark. Tama ba? Dark na photo book. So, photo book dark. So, that ang dark. Ayos lang natin. Ayos lang natin yan, anak. Tapos, next naman is...
Oh, sure.
Oh, this is, I think, the brown and the dark. Yeah. Brown and the dark. Okay, so dalawa siyang photo book. Brown and dark photo book. Ito, nakakatuwa naman. Look, oh, effortless talaga.
What do we need to use this? What is this for?
Panyo, handkerchief. Yan, oh, dalawa, oh, tigisa tayo. Yan. So, dalawa siya. Iwa ko si lahat. And then next, oh, ito yung pinorchase ko na shirt na light and dark.
What's the handkerchief?
So, this is the Simula at Wakas shirt.
There's one black and there's one white.
Yeah.
This is the second and this is the first.
Mhm.
First,
Next,
gonna
the
be
light shirt from the Simula at Wakas. Wow.
what's
Yeah.
the next shirt?
Next, what else? Oh, this is the keychain. Oh, look ano po. Oh my God, keychain. Keychain from the SB19.
I'm
before. Wow, this is the one that I use in the concert. Wow, I still like it. I very, very, very like it. Super ganda.
Here, it's all too pink. How about the cards?
Yeah, we like all
The cards.
We're gonna open it later. So, this is the V for rice stick.
Now can
And
we open
next?
the cards?
What is this one? Let's check what's this one, huh?
Help me open it.
So, photo book, kitchen, photo card. Oh, photo card set. And then, there is a trading card. Oh, be careful, yeah. You can open it. So, that is the trading card. Be careful, anak, ha? Oh. Asan? Ito ba yan?
I was opening this
Oh, be careful, anak, ha? Baka mapunit na. Oh.
How do we open this one?
Wow, ang ganda ng card nila, oh.
Isn't this one box?
No, dati meron pa. Oh,
What is
yan din. Oh, sino to? Sino yan?
this one?
Oh, si Pablo.
Oh.
Ayun, ito naman yung trading cards.
Can I see the trade cards?
Mhm.
Okay, first one.
Ang ganda ng mga ano nila, card nila. So, ito yung mga nakuha ko sa SB19 sa Simula at Wakas concert nila. I'm gonna keep it all. And you like it?
What? I've seen all of them.
We have to say bye-bye na. Come on, let's go. You say bye-bye, let's go. Okay. She's still looking at it. We're done? Let's go. You have to say bye-bye. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching.